Being a small herb within the mint plant family, thyme is not only considered one of the most popular culinary herbs these days with a variety of usages, but it is also best known for a long list of medical properties which are beneficial for treating a lot of diseases and conditions. Aside from adding thyme to your meals, you could also try drinking this herb as tea as well. Indeed, drinking thyme tea regularly can benefit your health due to its abundance of important vitamins and minerals, and antioxidants. Alleviate inflammation. The thymol found in thyme might help alleviate inflammation by suppressing some inflammatory pathways. This active compound might be helpful in fighting against peritonitis, the inflammation of the peritoneum, which is a membrane covering the abdominal organs. Manage blood pressure. In accordance with a study that tested mice, thyme exhibited the ability to lower blood pressure. In more detail, this herb reduced both diastolic and systolic blood pressure. It means that the Mediterranean diet, in which thyme is popularly used, could improve healthy blood pressure levels in human beings. Thus, thyme tea is considered a promising complementary natural medicine for hypertension. Relieve respiratory disorders. This herb is widely used in traditional treatments for respiratory disorders. The bronchi and bronchioli are dilated by an extract in thyme. This extract also relieves respiratory airway at the same time. Thyme is also antispasmodic in nature, thereby contributing to relieving tonsillitis, asthma, and coughing. Ivy and thyme leaves are often combined together to cure cough and bronchitis as well. Act as a mood booster. Thyme can work on neurotransmitters, influencing the activity of the neurons and improving your mood. Furthermore, this mechanism may also lessen nervous conditions such as insomnia, depression, and nightmares. You can take advantage of either thyme tea or thyme essential oil. Especially, thyme oil is widely used in aromatherapy for a boost in mood. Provide essential minerals. You won't believe that just 2 tablespoons of dried thyme leaves deliver 3.56 milligrams of iron, which meets the suggested daily iron value for a person. Thanks to its amazing source of iron, thyme tea supports the growth of red blood cells and boosts energy for a healthy body. Lack of iron can be a reason for anemia, exhaustion, and susceptibility to infections. It is also packed with vitamin K, manganese, and calcium to provide your body with essential minerals. As the best aid used for normal blood clotting, adding thyme tea on a daily basis helps prevent other blood disorders. Alleviate headache. Owing to the monoterpenoid phenol named carvacrol, thyme tea has anti-inflammatory properties. Thus, drinking this tea daily can help you boost your energy levels and wind down with its mild scent. In addition, just several sips of thyme tea a day can also eradicate melancholy and exhaustion, and decrease the potential risk of insomnia. Not only does tea help you control headache episodes, but the oil extracted from thyme is also known to relieve stress as well as migraine headaches. You just need to rub some drops of this oil on your forehead and temples, then relax until your headache pain goes away.